Good morning, everyone. We are going to talk about the GMAT exam now. As GMAT is a graduation management admission test and it is administered by GMAT, and it is useful for the students who are planning to do the master's degree in study abroad. Study abroad, when I say, it includes all the universities and colleges in USA, Canada, Australia, and England, and everywhere, even New Zealand. This exam is accepted by almost all the universities in the world. This is a test of your analytical and logical skills. There would be maths and English part uh, bifurcated in the two sections, and this exam is just judging your analytical skills in a given time frame. And the questions would be completely logical based. There is no revising, memorizing any content over there. The different thing in this exam is that it is a computer adaptive test, that in this test there in the all modules and in the all questions of your maths and verbal part as well, the level would increase or decrease as per your performances in the questions. The level would be easy level, medium level, and difficult level. All the mixed questions would be there in the module, and as you perform on the first 5 questions, the following questions would be given as per your performance. That is why we do not have any assurance about the marking of the questions. And all the people have this basic thing in their mind. I have attended a lot of students who say that when they are going for the GMAT exam, as this is a management related program, it goes for the management programs, people believe that they need to have some business knowledge, which really does not require at all. All the questions based on even on the business would be based on the information given on those reading passages itself. You have to find the answers in the passages given. There is an addition thing that they have added into the GMAT focus exam, which has been started last year from October 23, that there would be now 3 chances to give review and edit in each sections, which was not available in the previous sections of the or previous exams of the GMAT. Once you did the answer, you could not change it. But now in the verbal part, in the maths part, and in the data insight, which are the 3 different parts, you would get the opportunity to change and review your answers in all the 3 sections for 3 questions, which is a great benefit, I tell you honestly. Now, the total score is same from 200 to 800, including all the 3 parts. Now, this is the basic GMAT structure, which is quantitative reasoning or all about maths. There would be 21 questions, which has to be done into 45 minutes. And then we have verbal reasoning. Verbal reasoning will have 23 questions. Again, the timing would be 45 minutes only. And then we have data insight, which would just have 20 questions and it will have 45 minutes. Yes, GMAT has completely removed the analytical writing and the IR section. Now, these are just 3 modules. All would be done into a one go and will have a total marking from the 800 score. There is no separate scoring. There is no separate exam in GMAT focus review exam. That was all for the GMAT. Thank you.